Should I go ahead with ITR 3 or ITR 4? What are the differences between ITR 3 and ITR 4? Who is eligible for ITR 4? Every year during tax season, choosing the right ITR form on the top of managing your business and profession can be really stressful. Well, before you get super confused, we are here to help you and highlight the key differences between ITR 3 and 4. So let's get started. Firstly, ITR 3 is your go-to form if you have diverse set of income sources. It's meant for individuals and HUFs who have income from business and profession, both tax audit and non-tax audit cases, salary income, rental income from multiple house properties, long-term and short-term capital gains, interest, dividends, winnings from lotteries or any other income source, income as a partner in a firm including interest and remuneration, and yes, even your crypto income if it's treated as a business income. It's detailed and requires comprehensive accounting, especially if your business turnover exceeds the specified limits. Moving on to ITR 4, also known as Sugam form, which simplifies things for you. It is applicable for individuals and HUFs who have total income up to rupees 50 lakhs, income from salary or pension, rental income from one house property, agriculture income up to rupees 5,000, income from other sources like interest, dividends, family pension, etc. And if your business or professional income is computed on a presumptive basis under sections 44 AD, 44 ADA or 44 AE of the IT Act. The key difference lies in the presumptive taxation scheme. Click on the I button to know more about the presumptive taxation scheme. ITR 4 allows for a simpler declaration of business or professional income. Business income is calculated at 6% or 8% of turnover if it's below 2 crore or 3 crore, and professional income is calculated at 50% of the gross receipts if it's below 50 lakh or 75 lakh. The upper limit is applicable only if 95% of your receipts are through electronic mode. On the other hand, ITR 3 is for those with more complex financial scenarios, potentially requiring an audit, and it allows income from any number of house properties. Freelancers such as content writers, bloggers, digital marketers can also file ITR 4. For example, Rohan, a freelance photographer with an income of rupees 40 lakhs, files ITR 4 as it spares him from detailed bookkeeping. Still confused about choosing the right ITR form? Don't worry. ClearTax simplifies this for you. The platform auto-selects the ITR form and regime based on your details, making the process simplified and seamless. So why wait? Head over to cleartax.in, file your taxes under 3 minutes and enjoy a stress-free tax season. Happy filing with ClearTax.